Hello, in this 1.20.1 Minecraft mod pack development video, we're going to be taking a look on how to remove specific features from the world uh, by ID. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure that you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. There's plenty of great information here that can on this website that in my affiliate link in the description below um, that will give you some good information about this fantastic server hosting platform. It's for Minecraft and many other games with plenty of great benefits. So again, thank you to Bisect Hosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get to the video. So a very useful thing to do before you even get started with this is to go in your game and type in this command here. Slash KubeJS dump registry Minecraft Worldgen slash place feature. So what this is going to do is it's going to dump all of the place features in the world. As you can see here in your latest.log. So again, plenty of basically anything that you can think of is here. So this is going to be your best reference to use for that. But now once you have the particular features that you want to remove, then you can get started. So this is going to be using the Worldgen events.remove event listener. We're going to pass in the event. We've done this before in a previous video, but on a more broad basis. Now we want to use the event.removeFeatureById function. So this can either take 2 or 3 arguments. We're going to start with the 3 argument implementation. So the first argument is the biome filter. So here I'm going to be doing any Minecraft forest biome. So Minecraft is forest. The second argument here is going to be like exactly the type of feature. So this is a vegetal decoration that we're going to be doing. And then finally, the third example is, the third argument is an array of resources. So here I want to remove warm flowers from generation in forest biomes. So that's poppies, dandelions, etc. So Minecraft warm flowers. And that is our first example. Second example is going to be the 2 argument solution. So this excludes the biome filter. So if you want it to be a little more broad, this is the way to go. But similarly, we do event.removed remove features by ID. And we're going to first pass in the same thing, vegetal decoration. And here I want to get rid of sunflowers. So since sunflowers only appear in the sunflower plains biome, you don't need to specify a biome in as the first argument. So this is going to be Minecraft patch sunflower. Again, it's important, even if it's one thing, just have it in an array because that's the only way it will work. So I hope these 2 examples here were informative. Let's take a look at the results. So our first example about removing flowers from the forest biome. This is a screenshot. As you can see, there's pumpkins, there's trees, there's the 2 tall flowers, but there's no poppies or dandelions in the picture here. And then next is removing the sunflower patches from your sunflower plains biome. So as you can see here, this is a sunflower plains biome. You can see regular flowers, grass, and some trees, but there are no sunflowers here. So if you found these examples informative, please give the video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, subscribe to the channel with notifications on. And again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.